Hi, I'm Daphne, and today, I'm going to play with the lawnmower. Ha 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 ha. Yes, I found a lawnmower. Now let's sit here and let's play with it.
I wonder what's on TV. Oh my God, Daphne is riding on my lawnmower.
She is going to be in big trouble once she stops playing with that thing.
Let's go outside and ground her.
Oh no, I'm caught.
Oh, you certainly are, Daphne. Let's go back inside the house and you will be grounded. Seriously, Daphne Perez, I can't freaking believe you played with my lawnmower without my permission. That's it. You are grounded for 1 week.
Go to your room right now.